Yeah.
Oh.
Hello, guys.
Hello, guys.
We will cook some egg today.
Cook some egg today.
Yoo-hoo.
Yoo-hoo.
Come on, let's cook.
Let's cook.
Okay.
Let's go.
Turn,
Let's
turn.
rock.
You crack. I will crack it.
Yeah.
Okay, wait a minute and I will adjust the camera so that makita yung gagawa ni Elly. Oh, hi.
Hi. I'm cooking. Dalawa kami, Mommy.
Wow.
And I'm a banana. Banana.
No, it's egg. Oh, come on. You. Okay, what will we do now?
Crack, crack, crack.
Okay, we will crack the egg. Wait a
No,
minute.
last one yan, Mommy.
What?
No yan.
I don't know.
don't like to more.
You don't like to more. We will crack the egg, this one, like this.
Sarah, Mommy.
Yeah. Tinidor. It's tinidor. Oh, come on. I will crack the egg. Can you crack it?
No.
Hindi mo kaya?
Opo.
Oh, you make like this. Oh. You hold this one. And then, crack. Ganon. And then,
Mommy.
oh.
Wow. Mommy,
Other one.
kaya.
Yeah!
Oh.
Oh, it's clean naman yung egg. Now you wash it. And then, what will you do now? You put some
Some
salt.
salt.
Yes. Sprinkle some salt.
Nanny.
Oh, don't eat that one. It's so salty. Okay, it's enough. Oh. You mix it na, like this.
Okay.
Okay, go.
Ma.
Okay, go wipe. Okay, go. Careful.
Lucky na, Mommy.
Lapit na. Go, go. Oh, you sit down na lang. Yan. Oh, sit down. Oh my!
Hindi makita ko.
Hindi mo makita. Oh. Yan, like that.
Already now, Mommy.
It's already mixed na?
Yeah.
Sige nga, one more. Hindi pa siya. Oh, yung mami bubo. Oh. It's like this. Oh, you see, mami. You see. Like that. Yeah. Go. Like this. Oh. Like that. No, 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 no. Mami na lang. Mami na lang. It's like this.
I cannot try that.
You cannot try.
Mommy,
What?
lucky na, Mommy.
Opo, lapit na. Elly, when you grow up, you want to become doctor?
No, I will come with you.
You want to become beautiful girl just like
Just like
that? Wag na ikaw mag-Miss Universe ha. Kasi it's mahirap yun. Opo, it's mahirap mag-Miss Universe.
I want to
Then, we will fry it na.
in there, Mommy.
Yeah, we will fry in this one. Okay? Oh, you... Opo.
Here's here.
Oh, anong gagawin mo na? You will? You will? We will fry the egg.
That.
Okay? Wait for your mommy. Because I will get some
Some
cooking oil.
cooking oil.
Yeah. You have fun?
Yeah.
You enjoy?
Yeah, enjoy. Magulat ako, Mommy.
Magulat ka?
Papa.
Okay. I'm sorry. You enjoy cooking?
Yeah. Mami, dapat tapos ako eh.
Saan ka pupunta?
Yung sa kristal?
You want to play with Crystal?
Yeah, kasi wala ako laro.
Okay. How about you play with Ading?
No.
Why?
I want to play kristal. Hindi na mo si Kristan.
But Kristen is sick.
Wala ko laro.
Laro na lang kay Mommy.
Sambol?
Yeah. You want to play with me? You want to play some
Badminton.
badminton? You
No?
will play some badminton?
Hindi marunong ako?
Opo. When you grow up na lang? Yes. What do you want to play? What?
I want to play pizza.
Pizza lang. Sinong bumili ng pizza mo?
Si Mommy.
What will you say to Mommy?
Thank you.
No. We will go there sa supermarket again? You want?
Tomorrow now, Mommy.
Tomorrow na. Why? Now na lang.
Kasi wala ako Ate and Mama ni.
Maiwan na naman sila.
Okay.
Oh, so sad. Oh, let's put the
Kasi
cooking oil.
wala ako.
We put the cooking oil here.
Okay, I'll try.
You can do it. Oh, ganun, taas mo. Para hindi mag-touch yung hand mo dito. Yan. Oh, careful. Just like this. Tadam, tadam, tadam. Okay, enough.
Enough. Close it, Mommy.
Yeah, I closed it.
Yay, close na.
Very good. I will get the sandok.
Ano?
Yeah.
Ala, kapag ubus yan, yung oil?
Oh. It's not maubos yung oil. This one.
Ubus na.
No, it's not. You see, meron pa. Okay. I will adjust the...
Hello guys, welcome to my luto.
Okay, you're cooking now?
Yeah.
Just like Mommy?
Wow.
Oh, no. Stay. Oh.
Sakit.
Sakit your feet? Oh, come on na.
With the witty tobak.
Oh, it's mainit now. It's mainit. Okay, we will put that one because it's hot na yung kawali. Faster. Oh. Okay, careful. Wag mag-touch yung hand dito. Okay, put na. Come on. Yay!
Wow, sumabos, Mommy. Sumabos.
Oh. Okay.
Wow, sumabos, Mommy.
Oh, okay. And then,
Tapping na, Mommy.
oo, huwag ikaw lapit masyado para hindi ka paso. Oh, this one. What will you do? Wait! Hindi, ganun mo. Ano? Just like this. Yan. Oh. Alam mo na, mag-flip? Yung ganon? Wait!
Oh, done.
All that. It's cooked up? Hindi pa. Oh, we will flip it. Mommy will do it.
Mommy,
Oh.
you open the way.
Yay!
Hey! Mommy,
What?
wala na yung bubbles.
Wala na.
Tapos na, Mommy?
Hindi pa. Wait lang. Are you hungry?
Yeah, I'm eating some egg.
Yeah.
Hi, everyone. Look, some egg.
Yes.
In the brown egg. In the white egg.
These are very good.
In the my brown thing. And what's red?
Yes?
Brown.
Wow.
My dress is brown.
Who gave that?
So morning and purple one.
Wow. Did you say thank you?
Yeah.
Okay. You're strong? You will
No.
you will eat some egg and so that you will
I'm
become
not
strong.
strong.
You're not strong? Okay, it's already cooked. You see, Elly? Oh.
Tapos na?
And then we will put in your plate.
Yeah.
Your plate na. Oh, where is your plate? The princess plate.
Princess Slave?
Oh.
I didn't know.
Oh my. I will get it.
Wala na yan.
Yeah, because it's there now. Oh, careful, okay? I will get your food.
Mommy, smells like chicken joy.
What?
Chicken joy.
Chicken joy. Wow. So it's yummy then. Because it smells like chicken joy. Oh, I found it. Ta-da! We'll put in your...
Gawa yan, Mommy.
Mommy,
Gawa
she
yan.
put in the...
Oh,
So, oh my, but it's clean, di ba? Oh, you put it down. Oh,
uy, bali. Hindi makasya.
halika dito. Ilagay, you get it na para ilagay ko. Come on.
Here, Mommy.
Why? Oh, lapit mo. Lapit po. Charan!
Yeah.
Wow! Oh, you show them yung cook natin. You see, it's done.
It's done. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Pizza's ready.
No, it's an egg. Oh, smile ka muna, smile. No, you get the egg.
Oh,
Oh.
I want to eat the egg.
Okay. Go. You. It's my egg. Are you excited? Oh, come on. Oh, you hold it. Ganun mo muna ah.
Nom, nom.
So yummy. Yay! Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Bye.
It's yummy.
Yummy.
Mm.
Oh, I want.
Elly, your egg is masarap?
Yeah.
Wow. Oh my! Hmm.